If you've ever wanted to make professional videos but felt stuck because editing feels too hard, ShortBeast AI changes the game. Most creators waste hours learning complicated software or paying freelancers just to polish a short video. But with this tool, you don't need editing skills at all. ShortBeast AI handles everything for you. You can start with a simple idea and the AI will generate script, pick a natural voiceover, and even match visuals that fit your content. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, so instead of stressing about transitions, text placement, or background music, you can just focus on your message. The best part? The results don't look basic. Your videos come out polished with professional quality audio and subtitles you can use anywhere, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, or even client projects. That means you can create more content in less time and grow your presence without ever touching complicated editing software. If you're ready to make professional videos without the stressing of editing, start using ShortBeast AI today. Sign up using my link in the description and begin creating your first video now.